Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne first generation guys, years 2002 until 2010. And if your front right or rear right, both front right and rear right turn signals guys, do not work, stay with us and we'll show you guys what fuse you need to check and replace, because most likely we have a bad fuse if both of your right signals do not work. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please give a guys thumb up and subscribe to the channel. All the mechanical videos on this Porsche could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Check those out. We're constantly adding more videos. Now, if your turn signal, okay, on the front and the one on the rear do not work guys, okay, there could be a few things, but most common one is a fuse. And you need to open the passenger door here. You need to get a plastic panel removal tool. This cap right here needs to be removed. And under this cap guys, okay, we have 5 clips holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are the fuses right here. Now we need to find fuse number 35, which is the third row, third fuse from right to left. So let me show you now. Okay, it will be on this row. Okay, fuse number 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 10 amp fuse guys. Okay, so we'll replace it. Okay, you can check out in the description of the video below guys where we get our new fuses from and all that stuff. We'll replace it with a new one. Push it in, okay. Now, let's turn the flashers on and see if both of our turn signals work. Yep, this one works. Okay, let's check the front one now. Hey, that definitely guys took care of the problem. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.